Good day and great love. Illuminators and way showers, thank you for receiving these blessings of love and light. The language of love. Through this light, this portal of love, of peace, Namorali Himake, of support, to remind you that you are continuously and constantly guided and supported as you grow, as you move through your moments. Naraviano, Tabishamoko Yamaya, as your consciousness expands. Developing new doorways, new stems, new flowers, creating new seeds, your seeds of light, and remind you that you are always loved and supported. We are always here with you, standing strong. So that you may continue to grow and expand in all your glory, in all the ways that excite you, in all the ways that you find passion. Each and every one of these branches is you, a new part of you expressing itself in its own beautiful and unique way. And we are always here with you, watching, loving you, orchestrating synchronicities with you, co-creating in your dreams. Mia Williama Keteva Shoro Seba Umoro Mea I give it to Bebete Simayevu Umoro Bebe Bekenemi Beata Poshopoko onto Rusheavi Simonua. As you, realization by realization, unfold in your beauty, we expand in the unfolding with you. Just as when you support another being, another project, an idea, a passion, when you support it, it grows, it flourishes, it flowers, it branches in every direction. And every day it discovers a new way of expressing itself, a new way to find peace and joy and pleasure because of your strength, for it to set its own new seeds because of your passion. Your energy, your love toward it. Everything you support grows stronger. You are always supported by love, for love is the source, the power in all things. All is created in the light of love. Aleve amoro she kamiba. Sive moya, you are also guides to other beings and other lands and other places and spaces and planets. You have tendrils everywhere across the cosmos. And they all grew from the same one seed. You, your soul, your oversoul. And yet you are all sharing this magnificent experience as one. And yet its own unique experience. Just as every flower, every branch, every tendril is having its own unique experience. It's yet one. One. Growing in all different directions. Each and every one of these flowers is you in another place, another land, another dimension, another parallel reality, an infinite number of them moment by moment. You're extracting information, giving information constantly, telepathically, telepathically. You are already within the experience. Of support and being supported. As you are supported, you support. All the passions of all that you are in all the nows. Spreading wider and wider. Growing ever stronger. As others expand and grow in your love and support. Even when you're not aware of it, just simply following your joy, your spirit, simply doing, being, the state of being within all that you do. And watch the changes emerge moment by moment as you allow the growth, allow the support, and be the support. For the more that you support the energy of that which you love, that which brings you passion, the more beautiful the synchronicities will appear in your life. Branches of love, new opportunities, new feelings, new experiences, new places and faces will appear like magic before you, like the opening of a flower. It opens and closes in beautiful, perfect cycles. And you are strong, and you are delicate, and you are perfect. You are the you in your uniqueness. Pente into me maya avaya maroko bebete. As you follow each of the threads of your passion in every direction and take them as far as you can take them without any other insistence or expectation or reason other than the simple joy of the act of it. And let it be the new thing that has been created because of you, that didn't exist until you created it. Let it be what it is.